This is Dollie after eating some Dollie after eating some catnip. Is that funny, Jaxie? Yeah. She gets a little rambunctious when she gets catnip.
Where's her catnip?
I put it on her carpet over there, and she ate it. Gracie had some too. Gracie, I would look out right now.
Oh, that Jaxie, don't touch her because she is very feisty.
See, Mommy's not even putting her hand out because she's biting.
She's biting, but she's just playing. But it would hurt if she bit you.
Even though if she was playing.
She's trying to find her hand.
Yes, she is.
Stop it. I'm just lining up for you, Mommy.
What are you saying? Stop it to?
To Dollie.
Oh. What's she doing? She's not doing anything to you.
Look out, Gracie! Oh boy. The last thing you want to tangle with is a fired up Dollie on catnip.
Why did you put catnip on
I told you, Gracie. I tried to warn you. Play nice, kitties.
Play nice, kitty.
Thanks, Jaxie, for reminding them.
Play nice, kitty.
Dollie, you get a little feisty. Whoa! Couple right hooks from Dollie. You gonna attack me now? You know who the boss is. Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy, Dollie?
Where did they eat
They like how it tastes.
Don't worry, Gracie. You're still my favorite. Oh, just kidding. Just kidding, Dollie. I didn't say that. Oh, you're gonna bite me now. I was just kidding. Ooh. Just kidding over there. I like you both equally.